children. Today in this session, that is session number 11, we are going to study about the from the literature book. In the last session we have studied from the grammar book. Now today we'll study from this literature book, that is the reader book, and we'll do with the second chapter, that is the Turkish cap. So if you have the books, then you will open your books, and if you don't have the book, then I will send you the pictures of the story, and then from the pictures you can read the story in your videos. So this story is chapter number 2. The name of the story is The Turkish Cap. Now this story is telling about a person who was wearing a Turkish cap, and how he was once walking in a ground, and how what problem he faced with the children, what happened, and all this story is about that person who is wearing a Turkish cap. So just I will not read the whole story, that you can read from the pictures which I will send you of the story, and just tell you the summary, what the story is saying, what the story tells, what the story contains. Now this story is about a few children who are studying in a school, and they are not able to play in the school playground because it is very small. So what they like to do is that once the school bell rings, they start going out of the school compound, and they go out to the other school, to the compound which is near to their school, and they start playing there, because they want to play different games, like they play gulli danda and gilli danda, and which requires a lot of space. So here they are talking about the ground which is outside their school compound. They are not playing in their school compound, but they are playing in a ground which is outside their school compound. And the children are, Kunal is there, he is playing gilli danda with his friends, and then Nilesh is also there, he is one of the other friends. Pramod is there, they are all playing Brijesh. Then what happens is, when they are playing in the school compound, they are playing with gilli danda, what happens is suddenly a man comes. He is wearing kurta dhoti, and he was standing in the middle of the playground where the children were playing, and the cap was lying on the ground upside down. So what had happened was, it seemed that the gilli had hit his cap, and the cap had fallen in the on the ground. And the man was very furious. Furious means he was very angry, and he started shouting at the boys that what happened, what have you done, and what have you done, why are you playing in this ground, why don't you play in your school ground, and what have you done. So he started shouting at the boys. And what the one of the boys said, Brijesh, he said that, sorry sir, we are cannot play in the school compound because it is very small, so that is why we are playing in this other compound. So but the man was very angry, and he started walking to the principal's office, and the children were very scared that now अब बच्चों को डर लग रहा था कि अब सब वो जो Turkish cap person है, he is going to the principal office, and they were very scared of the principal. Principal से सबको डर लगता है, so the children were also very scared कि अब वो हमारे against complain करेंगे. And he went to the office, and the children were standing outside the office, and they were listening to the talk. वहाँ दोनों बातें जो चल रही थी between the Turkish cap person and the principal, and they were listening very carefully and what they were saying. And all of them, after a few minutes, the principal called all the boys. The name of the principal was Mr. Ahmed, and he also asked them what happened. Now say sorry to this person you have were playing, and his cap fell down and all these things. So all the boys together, they apologized to that Turkish cap person, and they said sorry to him, and the man accepted their apologize, their sorry, and then he said okay. And just as the man was leaving, and Mr. Ahmed, he was very surprised that he was to see who had hit this wonderful stroke. So he asked all the boys ki who had hit the stroke, and this was a very wonderful stroke. How could the gilli go inside the cap and hit the cap first and went inside the cap. So he said, Kunal said that, sir, it was me who was hitting the gilli and it went inside the cap. So all of them started laughing, and the Turkish cap person also, he was very much surprised that once suddenly the principal has started laughing. He was earlier he was scolding the children, and now he has started laughing. So he was also very amused, he was also very surprised, but he walked out of the room. And the children also were very happy, the children also were laughing at this statement what the principal had said, and they also moved out of the room. So this is the story about Turkish cap. Now the word meanings I have written on the blackboard, they are also given in the book. The word meanings are given here. तो वर्ड मीनिंग्स आपके दे रखे हैं यहाँ पे. इसमें से आप क्या करेंगे, जिनके पास वर्ड मीनिंग्स बुक है, सो दे विल कॉपी इट डाउन इन द नोटबुक. ठीक है, आप नोटबुक में कॉपी कर लेंगे. जिनके पास बुक नहीं है उनको मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिए हैं वर्ड मीनिंग्स, एंड दीज वर्ड मीनिंग्स यू कॉपी डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. इफ़ यू हैव फेयर नोटबुक देन उसको आप फेयर नोटबुक में कॉपी करेंगे. अगर नहीं है आपके पास तो आपकी रफ नोटबुक जो भी जिसमें आप काम कर रहे हैं उसमें आप नोट डाउन करेंगे. So these are the word meanings, and there are 10 word meanings. Promptly, without any delay. Promptly means बहुत जल्दी कुछ काम करना, बिना लेट करें. Stole a glance at, quickly looked at. एकदम से किसी को देखना एक नज़र में. Speak up, express oneself honestly. Speak up means when you are told, आपसे कोई बोलता है कि speak up, बोलो, अपने आप को अपनी कोई बात बोलनी है आपको, तो you speak up. Chorused means speaking together. All of the children were speaking together. Thundering means loud and angry. Courtyard is a small open space in the middle of the or at the back of a building. Building के आगे थोड़ी सी जगह होती है या बीच में, or at the back. Sinking feeling, with the feeling that something bad is going to happen. That is sinking feeling, कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. Hearty laugh is a loud and satisfying laugh. That is a loud and satisfying laugh. That is बहुत खुल के आप हंस रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे से हंस रहे हैं, उसको बोलेंगे हम hearty laugh. Amused is entertained, surprised. Trooped out means moved out in a group. Trooped out means सब एक साथ group में move out करना, बाहर निकलना. So these are all the word meanings. So you copy down in the notebook, and book में भी आपके दे रखे हैं. जिनके पास book है वो book से copy down करेंगे, जिनके पास नहीं है. Now we had done the word meanings. I had written on the board. Now question answers I have also written. I have written only the answers, so you can copy this down in your notebook where you have copied the word meanings. First question is, why don't you play in your school compound? Who said these words and to whom? So these words were said by the man in the Turkish cap, and he said these words to the children. What was the tone of the speaker? Tone means कैसे बोल रहा था वो, गुस्से में था कि कैसे बोल रहा था. So he was speaking in angry tone. Angry tone means he was very furious. he बहुत गुस्से में था. Who couldn't play in the school compound and why? The children couldn't play in the school compound as it was very small. So बच्चे school compound में नहीं खेल सकते थे. Why? Because it was very small. So they used to play in the other playground. Second question is, what a stroke. ठीक है, so who said this and to whom? So this was said by Mr. Ahmed, and he said this to Kunal. Mr. Ahmed was the principal of the school and Kunal was the student. Explain how the mood in the room changed after this dialogue. After this dialogue what happened was, सब लोग बहुत खुश हो गए. What a stroke, सर ने उसकी पूछा, बड़ी अच्छे तरीके से उसको पूछा. So everybody in the room started laughing. ठीक है, सब बच्चे रूम में हंसना शुरू कर दिया सबने कि कैसे कैप की गिरी और कैप के अंदर वो गिल्ली गिर गई. What do these words tell you about the speaker? It tells us that Mr. Ahmed is not a strict person. Not a strict person means जैसे बच्चे सोचते थे कि मिस्टर अहमद हमारे प्रिंसिपल बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे, डरते थे उनके पास जाने से, बट ही वॉज वेरी jovial person. He was very much healthy person, and he wanted to make everybody laugh. He was not very strict, and वो अपने बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करते थे, अपने बच्चों के साथ ही हेल्प करते थे अपने बच्चों की, कि दूसरा कोई भी बोल रहा है तो ये नहीं कि उसकी बात मान ली. So he was very a good type of person. So these are the question number 3 and 4 we will not do because these are not related. So only question number 1 and 2 I am doing, and this is in detail. So you can do it, copy in the notebook, and I will send you the pictures of this chapter. Okay, chalo.